How to create an account in Need for Speed. In this video, I will show you the perfect way to create an account for Need for Speed on your phone. Let's get started. You have to first open your Need for Speed No Limit on the phone and wait for it to load the main menu. You have to enter your birth month and tap on Continue. From the home screen, you have to tap onto the settings icon from the top right corner. Now you have to tap onto the profile icon. You have to type in your game name, then hit on confirm. And it will connect with Apple ID, Game Center or Facebook. This will automatically create and save your account. You have to follow prompt to sign or give permission. Once connected, your progress will be saved and linked to the account. And you are all set. Your Need for Speed is ready on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.